Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look on the gold market. Gold market is continuing the preparation for a bearish breakout. Currently, the more signs have appeared that the downward action probably will happen. Although it's right now difficult to say how deep it will be. It could be just for washing range of the lows, or market will stand with this bearish action for a longer period. But anyway, the action down should happen because here, first of all, right now we see clear pennant pattern is forming that theoretically should be bearish because pennants are continuation patterns, and it means that market should continue to move lower. Also, guys, recall our discussion of this possible morning star pattern. You could see that following action that has been formed after the morning star have appeared stands in contradiction to the nature of this pattern. So this should not be just deep retracement almost to the lows of this pattern, then flat action. That is not typical for the morning star. Market could show some minor retracement inside of the body of this pattern, but after that it should kind of start to move up. If this hasn't happened, that it means that we should be ready for a bearish breakout here. That's what about the morning star. Also, guys, we know that we have the bearish grabber here, and take a look, some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure because trend is bullish. So you can see price action stands above the red line. This is the MACD predictor, but we do not see any upward action. This price action doesn't support the bullish trend and mostly stands in the bearish action, so it's forming lower tops. This is typical sign of the bearish pressure. That's why bearish breakout could happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we also see another signs of this possible breakout. Here you could see the grabbers, but what is more interesting that market wasn't able to reach upward border of this pennant. So you can see here it has touched it again. Here it has failed to do this and drop lower. This is also the sign of weakness and also tells that the chance on the breakout is very probable. First targets of this breakout could take shape of the butterfly. So in fact here we could get the multiple butterflies. For example, on the 4-hour time frame chart you could get this minor butterfly here, very small, but we are mostly interested with this one. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you will see it. This sort of the butterfly that points first on the target 1064, 1063.50. So be first destination. Second destination will be 1058. It's probably these two levels that market has the chance to hit first of all. Later we will see what will happen. If market will drop here and will start coiling without no return, in this case we should expect reaching of our major targets, that is 1037. It's target of this big A, B, C, D pattern. But if we will see the fast return back, that will be some kind of the Russian rinse, and at least it should reach, it should lead market to some retracement. But anyway, the first plunge down, whatever the strength it will be, it should happen. So that's our current view on the gold market. So let's keep watching.